There are moments when all you need is just a good tray to the bowl of chicken pepper soup. It's actually very easy to prepare, and in this video, I'll guide you through the preparation process. So shall we? Let's get right into it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy by name. The full ingredients I'll be using will be in the description box, so please do ensure you check it out. First, I would like to prepare the pepper soup spice I'll be using. I'm actually using some Ehuru or Ehuru as we may call it, also known as the African nutmeg or calabash nutmeg, and some Uziza seed, also known as the Benin pepper or Ashanti pepper, and some Oda, also known as the Ethiopian pepper or grain of saline. I'll transfer it into my pan, then allow to toast a little bit for about 5 minutes. I'll just keep on moving it just the way I'm actually doing it while it toasts. This method is best if you don't want to use the already made pepper soup spice in the market. Although I know there are other spices you can choose to add to these ones to make up your pepper soup spice, but the combination of these three comes out perfectly well for me. It's about 5 minutes already, so I'll be transferring it to my mortar to give it a good pound. But just before I do that, I'll make sure to remove the shell of the African nutmeg. Next, I'll also be transferring some ginger and garlic, onion and Scotch bonnet pepper to my blender. Then I'll cover and allow everything to blend properly. So to prepare the pepper soup, I'll be transferring the chicken pieces into the pot right now. I'll season it up with some seasoning cube, the pepper mix and some salt to taste. I'll just mix everything together. I'll be adding water to the pot. I'll just cover and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes on medium heat. Okay, this is 10 minutes later and the chicken has released its natural liquid. So I'll be adding the pepper soup spice that I made earlier on right now. I'm using about 2 teaspoons. But just in case this is the first time of making pepper soup and you don't know the quantity of pepper soup spice to add, I advise you add it bit by bit so you don't end up with some bitter pepper soup. I'll also be adding water to the pot just so the chicken can be able to cook properly. And I'll cover and allow it to cook again for additional 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is 10 minutes later and our chicken is 70% cooked. I'll be adding some plantains right now to the pot. I'm using some semi-ripe plantains. You can choose to use yam or potato, just any starchy food of your choice if you want to make this a whole meal. But if you want to serve it with rice, you can simply just omit this. I'll be adding more water to the pot. I mean, what's pepper soup without the water base? I actually tasted my pepper soup right now and the blend of taste was perfect. But just in case yours need little adjust, probably salt or seasoning cube or the pepper soup spice, this is a perfect moment for you to do it. Just cover the pot and allow it to cook for additional 8 minutes. Okay guys, this is 8 minutes later and our chicken is perfectly cooked. Likewise the plantains. Finally, I'll be adding some scent leaf in order to boost the flavor of our pepper soup. Just mix everything together. Guys, just look at how lovely our pepper soup is looking. After about 2 extra minutes, I'll be removing it from heat and our chicken pepper soup is pretty much ready. It's actually time to serve and this is the most exciting moment in cooking. Just in case you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Just take a closer look at our chicken pepper soup. It's actually looking so yummy. Be sure to give yourself a good treat by trying out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.